Hey guys, welcome to LearnBase Reviews. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Appspatched, free hacks and modded apps, and checking whether Appspatched.com is legit or a scam. So, Appspatched presents itself as a hub for modded APKs and hacked game/apps that unlock premium features or give in-game advantages. Basically patched app downloads and tweaked installers. That sounds tempting, but there are several major safety and legality concerns. Automated security scanners and malware sites flag Appspatched.com as risky and potentially phishing or malicious. One recent scan gave a very low trust score and labeled it a phishing risk. That means files from the site could carry malware, or the site might try to steal credentials. Independent review sites are mixed. Some describe the service and offerings, but many analyst reports call out thin transparency, hidden ownership, and sparse, trustworthy user reviews, which raises red flags for long-term reliability. Bottom line, I would treat Appspatched as high risk. Even if the APKs work, modded apps often violate terms of service, can contain malware, and expose you to account bans or financial fraud. If you absolutely must explore, do not enter personal or payment info, use a sandboxed/virtual device, run antivirus, and expect no guarantees. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest tech and safety breakdowns. Want alternatives? I can make a follow-up with safe, legal ways to get premium app features or vetted marketplaces.